420 Things Grow in Ontario. Hey ladies and gentlemen, mail call today at the channel. Man, you say these are a couple big boxes. Well, aren't they? So yeah, so let's get into this, guys. Shout out to indoorgrowingcanada.com. Go check them out. Use the coupon code 420things, all one word, and you get yourself a bit of a discount at checkout. So, as always, discreet boxing. Nothing on there that's going to tell you what it is. Normally it comes with, like some black garbage bag wrapping. I guess you really didn't need to when they were putting in these discreet boxes, right? Sometimes if they shipped the box, like my reverse osmosis machine was wrapped, you didn't know what it was. It was great. Discreet. I always like that with these guys. Let's open it up, see what we got. It's probably something in the description that tells you what it is, but either way, we'll look into here. Package, always stellar. Put some of this in the old worm bin, I think. Compost it maybe. So you guys seen some of the other videos on the channel and how I've done some hydroponic stuff in one tent. I did it in a tote. I think I'm reverting to hydroponics in the 5x5 as well. Let's see what we got here. Some nice square 8-gallon buckets and lids. So finding these, they're all over the internet, but you always want that can you see it there? Maybe you can't. Let me see if I can get a good close-up here in the light here. 5. So that 5 or 2 is the ones you're going to want to use for hydroponics, right? You don't want to be anything other, because then bacteria and stuff grows in little pores and stuff. So anyway, so these are lids for these. Let's pull one of these out and see what we got here. So 8 gallons, not your typical 5-gallon bucket. They're a little bit shorter than a 5-gallon bucket, which I definitely like. It's nice when you need, your height restriction of these tents, right? So, and the fact that in a nice flat surface here, nice flat surface on the square edge instead of the round. Not worried about leaks with these. There's anything from bulkheads you can do, or there's those crazy expensive ones. I'm not going to do that. I've got some other parts that I've bought, some bulkheads, 2-inch bulkheads I'm going to be using with this when I build this, so be on the lookout for a build video. But and then the pot will fit right in here, drill a hole right in here, and it'll have the ability to look in there in the back end if I need to without disturbing the plant, look at the roots. You see 3 containers? That's not enough for your 5x5 tent. It's not. Let's see what else is in this next box number 2. It's a little heavier than box number 1. And I put an order in for a fair bit of stuff. Boom. More packing. Oh, more boxes, or more. 1, 2, 3. So I've got a 6 total. Not sure what I'm going to do in the 5x5 tent yet. I think I'm probably only going to do 4. The reason why I got 6 was, in theory, I could do 3 on each side in the 5x5 tent. But then I was thinking to myself, well, if I use the 2x4 tent that you know and see in my channels, and if you don't, check the link in the description there. There's or on the playlist on the channel, you'll see that. I have a 4-plant setup in the 2x4 tent. So in theory, I could start some there, grow them, top them, get them ready. As long as the roots were not intertwined, I could then move them from that system over to this system. So, you know what, that's not a bad idea. So, but if I do 6, then I wouldn't have that capability, right? I'd only have 4 in that one, and there's no way I can get more in there. So yeah, this box out of the way. More of this packing out of here. All right, so I'm going to do a hydroponic setup. Need yourself air pump, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quart commercial air pump. This is not, you know, one of your nice and quiet little 4 pump setup. This is quite loud. Bam. Okay, so handle on it. It's got some rubber feet. Okay, these are rubber. Still going to be loud. I have another similar style of this. Should I plug it in real quick? Get yourself a loud test. I'm going to leave it over here. I'm probably about 6 feet away from that thing. That's pretty loud, but it's not connected. There's a little bit of resistance. It's loud enough. I don't know if you can hear it in there. The first super loud one is when there was nothing and it was, wow, that was rattling. Still loud though, but it definitely has the ability to go, right? You connect that to this little tit here, and then that goes into this next little barbed, and then, right, into there. Get it on there. You might need some heat to get that on there. And then either that one or that one into there. And that screws into that side, right? Screws into there. Boom. 6 ports out. 1 in each bucket. So, gonna need some air tubing, right? 100 foot floor flex. So this will fit right on here. Right? It's not clear. Definitely wouldn't want it clear. Get light going into your reservoirs and stuff. And you run equal amount of distance. We'll cover that in the build video. But yeah, so there's tubing for that. What else do you say you need? Well, you need some air stones. I had good results with these big stones. I know there was some small stone comparison on my video. These ones seem to work pretty good. Got a bunch of those. 1, 2, oh, that one's almost open. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Whether we do 6 or not, definitely 1 in each, so let's call that 4. Put 2 in the reservoir, good to go. Ooh, some big bud powder. Gonna use that for flowering outside. That's sweet. Why does that sound like it's in, is it another package in here? Oh, it is in a package in here. I was wondering why it didn't sound like it was all in one. So yeah, I'll put, get that for the plants outside. That stuff works pretty good. And that's all the stuff for doing the hydroponic system. Some of the other parts I already have. So these are the parts I got from the good friends over at indoorgrowingcanada.com. So go to their website, check them out, use the coupon code 420things, all one word, and get yourself a bit of a discount. Yeah, I'm also going to put in I think it's a link you guys can get. I would try it. I don't know if you can use it or not. Try it. I'll put a link in the description to where you can, when you sign up, if you give them this code, you get $10 off. One time kind of thing. I don't know, depending on what you're buying from them, maybe you've already got some promotion for $10 and maybe it won't work, but it's always worth a try. I'll put the link there. You can log into your account and use that link and we'll go from there. But yeah, guys and girls, that's about it for today's mail call. We're getting there. We're going to get a nice little hydroponic system built. I'm going to do some stuff with this. I got the fittings, I got some other stuff, so I'm definitely going to do a bit more of a build this time on this one. I know I did it kind of halfway through, and I'm going to do step by step and show you what I'm doing, how I'm measuring it, and all that stuff, just to make it easy for you guys, okay? I know sometimes these things are a little bit weird, so be on the lookout for that video. It's coming soon, how to build 4-pot hydroponic system, I guess, RDWC. I'm going to have to get a pump still. I didn't get a pump. I think I might have a pump that I'm not going to be using, so I can use it from outside. So, bye for now, guys. Check out the sponsors. It's always good to support the channel. I appreciate you guys coming and checking this out, and we'll see you next time.